Welcome, little chess champs. We are going to cover the basic of how to play chess and capture pieces on the board. In chess, each player take turn into move with white going first. Remember, player cannot make two move in a row or skip a turn. A move happens when a piece goes from one square to another. When you move a piece, make sure it's a legal square according to the piece movement rules. Capturing pieces. When a piece moves to the square with an opponent piece, the piece is captured and take off the board. For example, black pawn is coming here and white can capture the black pawn and black pawn taken off the board. Once the piece is captured, it's going for rest of the game. One piece per square. Only one piece can occupy a square at a time. You cannot capture your own piece. So always watch where you move. How pieces moves. Each type of pieces special way of moving. All pieces of the same type move the same way. So once you learn how piece moves, you will know for all of that type. The main goal in chess is to capture the other player king. The first player to do this win the game. If neither player can capture the king, the game is drawn. Start simple. To begin, practice playing with just a pawn in chapter 1. This will help you to learn how pawn move and capture. And that's how you play and capture in chess. Now you are ready to start your chess journey. Have fun and keep practicing.